Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is the second model from the brand to earn the top spot in our category tests of robot vacuums. It excelled in our hard floor cleaning tests, picking up 99% of the dry oats, sand, baking soda, nuts and screws that we spread on the floor, snagging a spot in our list of the best vacuums for hardwood floors along the way. In fact, it performed so well, the only test where it earned less than a 99% pickup rate was in carpet pickup tests, where the average pickup of all vacuums was just 73%. It follows a random pattern to clean, so it took longer than many other models we tested to clean up a straight line of debris. Like many other robot vacuums, it doesn't clean right up to the charging base, but it cleaned more thoroughly than any other robot, and its spot cleaning function worked faster too. Some of our favorite features were the automatically increasing suction when it detects a carpet, and that it can be adjusted to do 2 passes for an extra thorough cleaning. Robot vacuums can be messy to maintain, but Roomba has features that make it easier to clean, like its self-emptying dirt disposal system that automatically transfers the dirt it has collected to the sealed, bag-lined dustbin in the charging base, and its easy-to-remove, self-cleaning roller brushes that were noted for rarely requiring any maintenance at all because they didn't clog with pesky pet hairs like models with bristle brushes did in our test. Its high-efficiency filter traps irritating allergens, but is not washable. Note that this was one of the noisiest robots we tested, earning a 1-star rating from Quiet Mark and a quite noisy remark from our expert. Number 2. Eufy RoboVac 15C Max. One of the quietest vacuums we tested, the Eufy Max was a top performer, thanks to its 2-side brushes and roller brush action, and is packed with high-end features, all at a price that's hard to pass up, making it a favorite with Amazon reviewers. Its sleek, super slim design, just under 3 inches tall, means it can slip beneath low ottomans and couches to nab even the most difficult to reach dirt. Eufy uses Boost IQ technology to automatically increase suction power when it detects an extra strength cleaning job is needed. Its large wheels helped it climb over door ledges and easily move from medium pile carpet to hardwood or tile. With its advanced sensors, Eufy avoids any tumbles off ledges or stairs and bumping your furniture. There's a remote control for spot cleaning or for cleaning just the edges of your rooms, while the smartphone app lets you customize a cleaning schedule that suits you, and syncs with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control convenience. In our tests, it ran for almost 2 hours on a single charge, and the large dustbin means less frequent emptying. Like most robot vacuums, Eufy knows to return to its charging base when the battery runs low to fully recharge before the next clean. Number 3. Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock S7 can vacuum and wet mop your floors simultaneously, with an innovative sonic technology that scrubs floors up to 3,000 times per minute. Users with carpets up to 4 mm high don't have to remove the mopping pads, as this robot will automatically lift the pads to avoid wetting carpets as they are detected. Take note that the pads do need to be removed after each use to keep the robot working in tip-top shape. The ability of the rubber main brush to float to meet uneven surfaces sets this robot vacuum apart from other models we've tested, and our experts found setting it up very easy, though it does require almost 5 feet of empty space in front of and 2 feet to the sides of the charging dock for proper setup. It was loved by our consumer testers in consideration for a previous Good Housekeeping Cleaning Award, and was even named a winner by our panel of experts, but one consumer tester noted that it struggled with pet hair on carpet, a common complaint with robots. Like our best overall pick from iRobot, the S7 has a rubber brush instead of one with bristles, which helps minimize pet hair tangles, and the brand offers an auto-empty charging dock that can make cleanup after the device's cleaning session even more simple and hands-free. Its filter is not HEPA certified, but it can be washed and is easy to pop out of the robot's dust bin. Number 4. Meal Scout RX2 Home Vision Robot Vacuum. With outstanding maneuverability, the Meal Scout RX2 Home Vision vacuumed through our lab tests faster than any other robot vacuum we tested. This robot vacuum tackled every size mess efficiently and was noted for doing so without bumping into any of the obstacles it came across. On bare floors, it picked up 98% of the dry debris we put down, and though it struggled with our faux pet hair, getting most of it stuck in the bristles of its brush, it completed our spot cleaning test in just 1 minute. The combination of a 500 ml dustbin, over 2-hour runtime, and its speedy, bump-free cleanup make this model a great choice for large homes. It has a lot of modern features like 2 front cameras that transmit a live image feed via the app to your smart device and excellent obstacle avoidance, one of the best we've seen, but does not have the capability to set no-go zones in the app and does not have a HEPA filter. The Scout RX2 reaches deep into corners and edges and automatically increases its suction power when it detects a carpet, though it was significantly louder at the higher power mode. Number 5. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL RV 2502A. Even before the first test, we admired Shark IQ's compact footprint and streamlined design, impressive for a model with a self-empty bin which is often bulky and does not look great in the living room. It was ready to go after only 6 hours of charging, and with just the press of one button, off it went, mapping our test spaces and smoothly navigating, not bumping, its way around and under chairs and other objects we put in its path. It had no problem cleaning under kitchen cabinet toe kicks or figuring out how to clean tight spaces without getting stuck, though the LiDAR sensor at the top of the robot does make it a little too tall to get under some furniture. After methodically covering our test floors, the Shark positioned itself back on the dock and emptied every speck it picked up. Not only did it pick up what we put down, but it went back to nab one straggler that it missed on its first pass. Take note that as it empties the dust bin, it is quite loud, but it should only last about 20 seconds or so.